I am now taking you to Hagia Sophia, and we have just come back from the far end, which is the Topkapi Palace, the church which I did tell you about. And now this is the entrance of Hagia Sophia. Hagia Sophia was a Roman church made during the Byzantine period. When Sultan Muhammad took over Constantinople and converted this church, he purchased this church from the Roman Catholics, and then he converted this church into a grand mosque. Basically, he paid for it, and then after that there's a lot of construction being done in 400 rule of Ottoman Empire. Let me take you inside and show you around. Very long queue, and Hagia Sophia, we are trying to enter into it. It takes you about 45 an hour. Long queue, and behind you is the blue mosque, the Suleiman Sultan Mosque. And I'm about to enter into the Hagia Sophia. So we have entered the entrance of Hagia Sophia, and this is the fountain there. And if you look across, because it was formerly a church converted, so there are a few things which the rulers, the Sultan, maintained and gave the respect to them. But when it was taken, it was purchased by, as told earlier, was purchased by the Sultan and then converted into a masjid. The entrance of Sophia Hagia Mosque. I am inside Hagia Sophia Mosque, and you can see this.
The king, because of security reasons. So he was coming directly from here,
And
going to the last column. It's last column over there. Between the last column,
it's beautiful, highlighted. It's magnificent beauty. It is I think that the section is meant for females to go up and sit